Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of carrying a huge smartphone that still feels boring? Most phones look the same, feel bulky, and don't bring anything exciting anymore. If you want a stylish foldable phone with a compact design, flagship-style cameras, and a smooth display without spending over $1,000, this might be the perfect upgrade. This is the Motorola Razr 2025, a modern flip-style foldable smartphone with a huge 6.9-inch 120Hz display, dual-screen design, Android 15, and a premium Pantone spring bud finish. Large 6.9-inch Full HD plus poled foldable display. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate for gaming and scrolling. Compact flip design that easily fits in your pocket. Secondary outer display for notifications, selfies, and quick apps. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage for multitasking and apps. 50MP main camera with detailed photo quality. Android 15 out of the box with Motorola's clean software experience. Stylish Pantone spring bud color gives it a premium unique look. Unlocked for US carriers. Pros. Premium foldable design at a lower price than many competitors. Bright and smooth display experience. Compact and lightweight for daily use. Clean Android software with useful Motorola gestures. Good battery optimization for a foldable phone. Cons. Cameras are good, but not flagship level like ultra-premium phones. Foldable screens are still more delicate than regular phones. Dimensity 8200 is fast, but not the absolute top-tier gaming chipset. This phone is best for users who want a stylish foldable without paying flagship prices. Social media users and content creators. People who want a compact phone that opens into a large display. Everyday users who value design, portability, and smooth performance. At around $564.99, the Motorola Razr 2025 offers strong value in the foldable market. You're getting a premium flip phone experience, modern Android features, and a stylish design for much less than many flagship foldables. Number 4. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's premium 2025 foldable flagship featuring a massive 8-inch display, Galaxy AI features, Snapdragon 8 Elite performance, and a sleek silver shadow finish. Huge 8-inch immersive foldable AMOLED display. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate for gaming and scrolling. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship processor. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage for heavy multitasking. Android 16 with Samsung One UI 8. Advanced Galaxy AI features for productivity and smart assistance. AI photo editing tools for quick image enhancement. Large battery with optimized long-lasting performance. Premium foldable design with multitasking support. Flex mode for hands-free video calls and content viewing. High-end build quality with Samsung ecosystem integration. Unlocked US version with 1-year manufacturer warranty. Pros. Massive tablet-like display and a pocket-sized foldable design. Extremely powerful performance for gaming and productivity. Excellent multitasking with split-screen apps. Premium build quality and polished software experience. AI tools add useful editing and productivity features. Cons. Foldables are still more fragile than standard smartphones. Heavy compared to regular flagship phones. Expensive compared to non-foldable alternatives. Battery life is good, but power users may still recharge daily. This phone is best for power users who multitask constantly. Business professionals and productivity-focused users. Users who want a phone and mini tablet in one device. Content creators, gamers, and entertainment lovers. Samsung ecosystem users wanting the most advanced foldable experience. At around $864.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers flagship-level performance, advanced AI features, and a premium foldable experience. For users wanting cutting-edge technology and maximum screen space, it offers strong value compared to many ultra-premium foldables. Number 3. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26, Samsung's compact 2026 flagship smartphone featuring Galaxy AI, powerful performance, a smooth 120Hz display, and a stylish sky blue finish. Compact 6.3-inch immersive AMOLED display. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate for scrolling and gaming. 256GB internal storage with 12GB RAM. Powerful next-generation flagship processor. Android 16 with Samsung One UI 8.5. Advanced Galaxy AI features for productivity and smart assistance. Long-lasting battery optimized for all-day use. Premium lightweight design with durable build quality. Excellent multitasking and gaming performance. 5G connectivity with unlocked carrier support. Enhanced AI photography and smart editing tools. Fast and responsive everyday user experience. Pros. Compact flagship design that's easy to use one-handed. Powerful performance for gaming and multitasking. Bright, smooth, and premium display quality. Galaxy AI tools improve productivity and photo editing. Reliable battery life with optimized software efficiency. Cons. Smaller screen compared to Ultra or Fold models. Premium price for a non-Ultra flagship. No expandable microSD storage. Heavy gamers may still prefer larger cooling-focused phones. This phone is best for users wanting flagship power in a compact size. Samsung fans looking for the latest Galaxy AI features. Students and professionals needing smooth multitasking. Everyday users wanting premium cameras and performance. People who prefer lightweight phones over oversized devices. At around $799.99, the Galaxy S26 delivers a premium flagship experience without reaching ultra-level pricing. You're getting powerful hardware, Galaxy AI features, long-term software support, and Samsung's polished ecosystem in a compact, stylish package. Number 2. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's ultra-premium 2025 foldable flagship with a massive 8-inch display, Galaxy AI features, multitasking power, and a premium blue shadow finish. Large 8-inch immersive foldable AMOLED display. Smooth 120Hz refresh rate for gaming and scrolling. Premium foldable design that works like a phone and tablet in one. 12GB RAM with massive 512GB storage. Android 16 with Samsung One UI 8. Advanced Galaxy AI tools for productivity and smart assistance. AI photo editing features for fast image enhancement. Powerful flagship-level processor for multitasking and gaming. Flex mode support for hands-free video calls and media viewing. Long battery life optimized for all-day use. Premium Samsung ecosystem experience with multitasking features. Unlocked US model with 1-year manufacturer warranty. Pros. Huge tablet-like screen perfect for multitasking. Excellent productivity experience with split-screen apps. Premium build quality and futuristic foldable design. Powerful performance for gaming, editing, and heavy usage. Galaxy AI features add useful smart tools and editing options. Cons. Very expensive compared to regular flagship phones. Foldable phones are still more delicate than standard devices. Heavier and thicker than traditional smartphones. Battery life is solid, but power users may recharge daily. This phone is best for power users who multitask constantly. Professionals wanting a phone and tablet in one device. Content creators and entertainment lovers. Samsung ecosystem users wanting the most advanced foldable experience. Early adopters who love premium futuristic technology. At around $1,699.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a premium luxury smartphone built for users who want cutting-edge foldable technology. You're paying for innovation, multitasking power, Galaxy AI features, and one of Samsung's most advanced smartphone experiences available today. Number 1. This is the OnePlus 15, a powerful 2026 flagship smartphone featuring Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance, a massive 7300 mAh battery, ultra-smooth 165Hz display, and premium infinite black design. Large 6.78-inch immersive AMOLED display. Super smooth 165Hz refresh rate for gaming and scrolling. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Massive 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage configuration. Huge 7300 mAh battery for extended all-day usage. Android 16 with fast and clean OnePlus software experience. Dual SIM unlocked support for flexibility and travel. Excellent multitasking and gaming performance. High-resolution 2772 by 1272 display with vibrant visuals. Premium infinite black finish with flagship design. Fast responsiveness for gaming, editing, and heavy apps. Optimized cooling and battery efficiency for power users. Pros. Extremely powerful flagship-level performance. Massive battery life that easily lasts all day. Ultra-smooth 165Hz display feels incredibly fast. Huge RAM and storage for multitasking and gaming. Clean and responsive Android experience. Cons. Premium price compared to mid-range alternatives. Large size may feel bulky for some users. High refresh rate can drain battery faster during gaming. Camera performance may vary compared to ultra-premium camera phones. This phone is best for mobile gamers wanting top-tier performance. Power users who multitask heavily. Users needing massive battery life. Android fans wanting speed and smooth performance. People who store lots of apps, videos, and games locally. At around $999.99, the OnePlus 15 delivers flagship-level performance, huge battery life, premium hardware, and massive memory capacity. For users focused on speed, gaming, multitasking, and battery endurance, it offers strong value in the premium Android market. If you want a powerful Android flagship with insane battery life and top-tier performance, the OnePlus 15 is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews and smartphone updates.